Hey guys, Jenny here from WTI. Today I just wanted to hop on here and quickly share with you how amazing this stuff is. It is the Restoralax. Now, one of my daughters has some intestinal issues, and so we purchased this because our doctor said that it was very easy on the stomach, didn't cause any cramping, any bloating, no issues, so our daughter would not go through any more pain than she already was going through. So I picked this up and it's so easy to use. So first of all, it comes with a cap, and that actually shows you what to pour, how much to pour in. And you can also gauge on how much. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a powder form. I simply just put it in a cup. I pour it in and then I add some orange juice. And you really don't need a whole lot. It dissolves pretty quickly. Usually what I do is I stir it around just to make it dissolve really quickly. And it works amazing. I give it a couple minutes to fully dissolve, and then I give it to my daughter. She drinks it, and then there's no issues. It doesn't have a weird taste. It doesn't have a weird aftertaste. And she most of the time has no idea that I'm even putting it in her drink. So if you are looking for a little bit of relief, I definitely recommend this brand specifically, Restoralax, but that's just my point of view.